Hi, this is a video on language and literacy development. We will cover phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. Phonology explores how words are constructed from tiny sound units called phonemes. Understanding that replacing one phoneme with another can change a word's meaning is crucial for learning to read and write. The phonological awareness enables children to sound out words, recognize rhymes, and understand that words can be broken down into smaller sound parts. Morphology examines how the smallest unit of language with meaning, morphemes, combine to form words. Recognizing how to blend prefixes, roots, and suffixes helps build new words and comprehend their meanings. For example, unhappiness can be broken down into un, hap, e, and ness. Morphological awareness aids children in deciphering unfamiliar words, expanding their vocabulary, and enhancing comprehension of complex text. Syntax. Syntax involves the rules governing how words are arranged to create grammatically correct sentences. Word order and tense are critical. For instance, the dog chases the cat is grammatically correct, while chases the dog, the cat is not. Understanding syntax is vital for reading, as it helps children see how words function together in a sentence, promoting comprehension. It also enables them to write clear, meaningful sentences. Semantics. Semantics focuses on the meaning of language, including the relationships between words, the concepts they represent, and the real world. For example, dog, hound, and poodle all refer to a specific animal type, but evoke different images. A strong foundation in semantic knowledge helps children expand their vocabulary, grasp world relationships, and select appropriate words when writing. This enhances their ability to understand what they read and convey their intended meaning in writing. Pragmatics is about using language effectively in social contexts to communicate. It involves understanding when to speak, how to interpret conversational cues, and how to tailor messages to the purpose and audience. For example, "Can you pass the salt?" is a polite request, not a question about ability. Pragmatic awareness helps children discern the subtleties of written language, infer authors' intended meaning, and adjust their writing to suit the situation and reader. Importance of linguistic components in supporting students with exceptionalities. Understanding these linguistic components is vital for supporting students with exceptionalities because it allows educators to identify specific areas of language weakness, develop targeted interventions, adapt instruction to meet individual needs, and enhance overall literacy skills, which impacts academic success across all subjects. Instructional strategies for early childhood students struggling with linguistic components help early childhood students overcome language barriers. Phonemic awareness games engage students with interactive games like What is Missing to help them recognize separate and change sounds. For instance, ask them to say cat without the k sound. Magnetic word building utilize magnetic letters or words to make learning morphology fun. Demonstrates how adding prefixes and suffixes to root words alters their meanings. Interactive read-alouds. As you read, pause to model thinking aloud about the text structure, meaning, and purpose. Show students how to make inferences and visualize the content. These research-based strategies are flexible enough for students with different abilities. By actively teaching language skills, teachers lay the groundwork for literacy and lifelong learning. Thank you for listening.